dry outside right now, but showers are not that far away. So we look off to the south, the Starkville, towards Louisville and Macon. Showers are working their way in. As we look out at West Point, a few peaks of sunshine out there, but that's going to quickly work its way out of the area into a cloudy, more rainy condition. As temperatures right now, 52 degrees. South-southeast wind at 14 miles per hour, so it's quite breezy out there. Look at that dew point of 41. That's only going to increase as we head throughout the day. As much warmer, moisture air comes up out of the Gulf of Mexico, out ahead of our next storm system that's really getting its act together off to our west. Look at that, 55 in Jackson. Look at that, for all the Mardi Gras festivities down in New Orleans, 67 degrees. And it's going to be a very wet day as showers and thunderstorms are continuing to develop all across Mississippi. And that's going to be slowly working its way up into our area. As we zoom out to our national satellite and radar, we're really beginning to see a big storm system over Kansas and Oklahoma getting its act together. Heavy snow on the backside, and then lots of copious rain from Missouri down through Arkansas. And this is only going to fill in as we head throughout the rest of the day, once again increasing our rain chances. And this is a similar pattern we've seen for about the past month. Going back to this weekend, this was our storm system that brought 2 to 3 inches of rain across much of the southeast, causing some minor flooding. We call this a training pattern because the next storm system, 2 or 3 days behind it, gets its act together, and that's what's going to be affecting us as we head throughout the day and into tonight. And for that reason, the National Weather Service in Jackson has put all of southern and central Mississippi, these darker shades are flash flood watches. The brighter greens are river flood warnings, especially for the Tombigbee and Tibby rivers off into eastern Mississippi, and in the Pearl River down in Neshoba County. So make sure with all this rain you keep very aware of your conditions, as even Futurecast shows a lot of rain and moisture. Clouds increasing throughout the day, and as we head into the overnight hours, showers and thunderstorms, heavy rain once again across much of Mississippi. And by tomorrow morning, the whole southeast looks socked in with torrential rains. It looks like the clearing lines back around the I-55 corridor. As we head into Wednesday and Thursday, we begin to clear out and dry out. But we got to get through today first. Look at that, 62 degrees, breezy conditions. Showers developing with a gusty southeast wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight, soaking rains. We only dip down to 58 degrees. Once again, 1 to 2 inches of rain possible and very likely across much of the area. And tomorrow, 68 degrees, morning storms, and that will continue to add to our potential flooding conditions. Then your Campus Connect 5-day forecast, wet tomorrow, but as we head into the weekend and the rest of the week, we really begin to dry out. Look at that, 58 by Thursday, sunshine for Friday and Saturday, and look at that, your first weekend of spring break looks downright beautiful across much of the southeast. So get through today and keep wary of any flooding conditions, and then we will begin to dry out. Thanks for logging on. This has been your Campus Connect forecast.